play a game with me, people. Let's start with this LD white kite. And we're going to start with this weight. And I'll tell you how it goes as we go along. So right now we have 4.7. Alright, so this will be the catalyst, 4.7. Let's pick another butterfly knife and try to figure out if this is more or less than 4.7. Think about it. You know what this is. Kershaw Lucha, let me not cut myself. Alright, so let's try. More or less. 4.54. A little bit more. It's that length of handles, I guess. Cool. Next up, I got 2 curveballs, by the way. So let's go right to this. The live blade kite that you guys have seen. What do you think? More or less than 4.07? Let's see what's up. 4.14. It's a little bit heavier. Nice